Hey, I'm down in the starboard side quarter here, trying to trace down some wires. I'll give you a little view of this here. Got some wires in here, need to trace it down. But I go to this here, to the lift pump for the diesel, and it don't seem to be working right. So I run me a wire over here and hot wired it, you know, but it still ain't working right. So, well, that's what I'm doing. So it's just part. Hey, this is part of the adventure. Here, let me do it like this. This is part of the adventure. Ooh. Yeah, I'm probably going nuts. It's going to be all right though. You got to find the wire that's running the lift pump. Lift pump might be burnt up, so if it is, we'll just change it. It ain't nothing but money, honey. Mwah. Hey, y'all have a good day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye now.